pročitaš nešto.
Mira, I was worried.
Mira, pa gdje si?
Mira je skupila kalu.
Miru i prije u onom Iron.
It went well.
Mira.
Really? That's a
Pa,
relief.
dobro,
First
počeli su.
known for being rather difficult.
Sjećam se da smo ismijavali ime.
Marjorie has a whole
Za šta?
day working on
Za mir.
signaling
Moja mama se
way.
zove Mira, ne mi smijat
Of course,
Miru.
you and I are some big way
Neću, ja sam
up
dobar s tvojom mamom.
Here we go.
Only the sickest birds around here.
Sarah, what?
Sarah.
And over in Mart's
You want my nuts?
a red viper.
Take my
Mogli sam
peanuts.
podsjećat na sve.
You raped her! You murdered her!
Podsjetili su nas na oboringa.
You'll get us in trouble. We're just having some fun.
You killed the children!
Šta je
Perhaps
to?
Lady Marjorie could make the right
Ja mislim da je
decision.
osoba bez glave.
We might meet our future husbands.
He lost his head.
Although,
Someone give him a head.
Someone blew his mind.
That's not a blowjob I was talking about.
He does have a certain look about him. And he's
not
always
the
treated
Joffrey.
me badly.
I don't want to be
I don't
queen.
want to be queen no matter who I'd have to marry. Don't want to be queen? You northerners. You'd make a perfect scepter. Well, I would marry him. Imagine the power you would have as queen of the
Who's Joffrey and I?
I might even allow you to be my
damn,
Čekaj,
handmaid.
ona bi trebala ženiti Joffrija. Ta ženska, ili šta?
Ako posljednja kraljica, ja bi bio ženio, to je pitala.
Brienne of Tarth and Tyrion Lannister. What a perfect match!
Ko je Breen?
Brienne, to je
To je ona
velika
velika
jaka
ženska.
ženska.
What are you doing?
Ona mi se sviđa.
S onim...
Nije se s
Well.
njim seksom.
We were just having
S
fun!
onim što nema ruku.
Sarah?
Pa nije se s njim seksom.
We're sorry, my lady.
Još.
He was only fingering her. Sa drugom rukom.
This is
A
not
ne,
a game.
nisu. Samo su se kupali skupa.
Allies and enemies
Sam.
can be made with
Cool,
every
buddy.
move.
Of course.
Yet they say it is men who are powerful. The Queen was pleased by your displaying your...
Aha.
No.
I'm
Koliko
just glad it's
toliko.
over.
Koliko toliko, ali ni blizu.
Damn
graphics,
da je
man.
napravljeno od
Damn graphics, bro.
There's always someone to please. or
Zašto nije kao ovaj novi Call of Duty?
Do, ovo je
Advanced Warfare.
I fear it will only get worse when I am
Sad
queen.
ćemo
Ja
dobiti-
igram
Već bi dobili
Minecraft,
dislike-ova zbog toga.
Advanced Warfare, GTA 5
To neko-
i igram
Mati.
ovaj...
Do you agree?
Šta još igraju
Do
ljudi?
you agree with what?
I... Rekao sam Minecraft, Advanced Warfare i...
It doesn't matter what you
League of
feel.
Liga Legendi, Dotu.
What you
Ne igraju
say.
Dotu baš toliko.
You learn very quickly.
Prekomplicirano je to za njih.
Nobody has ever done that in the history of Dota.
Must fear what the Boltons
Nobody!
do.
San Andreas igraju jako.
Ej, GTA
I
sam
do
rekao.
appreciate your willingness to appease her, as difficult as it may have
GTA
been.
5 online.
Thank you, my lady. There's been something on my mind.
Za... Mislim da ne izlazi Metal Gear na kom. Aj, što nakon zlom neće. Aj,
Do I ask her for help or do I...
Do it!
Nah.
Do it! Ko pita ne
vjeruj
skita!
njoj, ne.
Ko pita ne skita!
Ne vjeruj njoj.
Sam pitaj, ne moraš
Ona u
prihvatiti.
Pornićima
pornićima glumi, ne vjeruj.
Do it!
Ono
She'll give
poručuje,
you a
ono
hand.
se pokaže sise.
She'll give you a hand!
Ne!
I need your breasts!
I did have a favor to ask you
Ah,
in
yeah.
return.
Oh, come on!
Whatever
Can I
you
touch
wish
your
to say,
boobies?
you can say it in front of Sarah. There are no secrets between us.
A, ne smije. Bude sad ova sera, ne.
About my family.
Sjebala.
I trust her.
Vjerujem joj. Onak.
Ja ne vjerujem.
I prefer to speak with you alone.
Oh, snap boy.
O, sad to ona neće bolje.
Well, she almost got me in trouble for having fun.
Oh, you little girls.
Vidi
Go
ovo.
on.
Biće ovo.
Please, Ramsay Snow is on his way to Ironrath to see my brother bend the knee.
Bend the
Ramsay,
knee.
Roose Bolton's bastard.
I fear
Yeah,
my
the
family will
bastard.
suffer if Ramsay is left to do as he likes. But if a raven could be sent to the Boltons to let them know House Forrester has the protection of the crown.
That is no small request. especially now. Joffrey knows only too well your family fought for the Starks, and now you would have me ask him to intervene. Is the situation that dire?
Nije umjetno sigurno.
Joffrey will not look favorably on such a request.
I will forever be in your debt.
Pa,
Your
naravno.
family will forever be in your debt.
Yeah!
I don't know, Mira. If Cersei were to find out...
She would die.
Don't let the Queen bully you. You have power over him, Lady Marjorie, as no one else does. Not even his mother. Ramsay Snow will arrive
Njegov
at
mali
Iron
Willy
within
može
the week.
penkat.
I would never ask
Ne
this
bude
of
dok
you if it
poplavi.
weren't so urgent.
Oh my god!
Mislim Joffrey, ne.
Matija, daj prekini. Djeca gledaju!
I'll make the request, but I cannot promise anything.
Thank you, my lady. I will send a raven to report at once.
Ima još! Sve su moje pojeli.
Svi smo sretni.
Osim Lazo, on ne voli.
On je. On najviše.
Ok, kraj epizode. Oh. Lazo, idemo.
Ej,
Oh, snap!
What have you done?
Fuck you!
Vidimo što će Lazo.
idemo!
Reci njima. Ode, Lazo.
Ode, Lazo.
Zašto mi pratio?
Zašto bi te pratio?
Nije jasno.
Ko prati konja.
Brzo.
Ko prati
7
Lazo?
pakala. Rekao je.
Sebrdel?
Ko se dene?
Šta je ovo? Kupljenje neko.
Budi se.
Muče neko.
Let's play a little game, shall
No,
we?
to je ovaj.
To je ovaj
To je
Fenix,
Ramsay,
da.
Ancestors wore the
I onda
to
je...
enemies as a
I
coat.
ovi je to? Ne, to je neki drugi band. Daj odi reći mu zdravo.
Moraš paziti da ti ne vide.
Te posljednje crveno puštam. Op!
Work on
No.
I suppose I have.
no.
I suppose I have...
But he didn't make it easy. What with all that bloody noise?
Like a drowning cat. I thought he'd never stop.
As my father
Such
likes
fun
to say,
mechanics.
Ovo je
a
zapravo
naked
zabavan
man
dio
holds
igre.
few secrets. But the flayed man
Ja nikad nisam vodio one epizode
Šta
koji
bi
su
se dogodilo
gledali
kad bi sjebao?
King's Landing.
Mislim da bi ga vidjeli i ubili.
Previše politike.
he does now.
Da nije baš bilo
How much
nekada.
further
Ne.
to these foresters?
A day, my lord. Two at most.
What was that?
Popišu se.
Lord?
Ah! Shut up, boy. Malo šuti.
Slušaj, neko lupa vilicama.
Da, čuo te. Svaki se.
Hear that?
Ej!
I know I heard something.
Umrijet ću,
It's the logical choice. Don't do it.
Ide pišem.
Never mind. We've wasted enough time already.
Šta ti vidi? Ručan.
Davi se na kurac. He's choking on some dick.
Što je što bilo?
He almost died.
Potato.
Potatoes happen.
Sol otišla u krivu ruku.
U krivu ruku, a?
Bitch.
Ne postoji kriva ruka.
Svako rupa je.
That's what he said.
Dobra.
Šta su ovom napravili, da vidimo. Znate, rekao sam želiš malo violence.
Rupu su napravili. X.
Sa švic, nipples. Ako ih ima još. A, nema.
Damn, son.
Hey there, you're a rockstar, get your game on, go play!
Fuck off!
Aj prekine.
Pa daj popi nešto. Vode.
Vino.
Malo vode.
Dobro.
It's good, it's good.
Lord Ethan,
No, Ethan.
as I was saying, you are young. And there are those within these walls who are uncertain of your leadership.
Do sam
God,
pogledao na mjesto.
100 generations of Forester
Dobro.
lords stand
Čekaj, šta je
behind.
bilo?
Nam pojma neš mi zaletio.
was Gerhard the Tall, who founded our house.
To je karma, znači će napraviti priču.
Lord Thorin the Bold, who seized back the river
Sve
valley from the
skužno da onda
White
su igre u stvari kao serija. Ono, malo
Da,
igre,
ti je
već
da.
malo po malo.
Čekaj, taj Juka, ko je to?
Trenutni
To je
vod.
sin
To
od...
help you
Od njega imao sve. Od onoga...
Šta je umro?
Ne.
These were your father's
Koji ti
people
imaš,
to
da.
lead and protect,
Da.
and now they're yours. But your father did not bear this responsibility alone.
I wanna fart.
He and every forester lord before him chose one man whom they trusted above all others, the Lord Sentinel. Forester traditions demand that a new Lord Sentinel must be chosen.
Igrao sam danas Isaaca
Da.
i popio sam Mom's Knife. I onda sam našao item Mom's Eye, ili tako kako se zove, s kojim pucaš s leža.
Da, to
Sam imao
znam.
dva noža.
Oh god.
Iza.
Nothing wrong. I was only trying to survive.
To sam sjetio kad
Šta
sam
se
dovolao.
događa? Šta je bilo?
Nekog su našli.
Lord Ethan. Miss. Who is this man? This craven is a deserter and a thief. This house is doomed!
To je Štef.
It's not me.
We all fucking know it!
Shut up.
We're supposed to be guarding our weapons, but instead we caught him stealing them.
Krade, isto ko ti.
2 shields and 3 spears.
You stove! Oh fuck, krivo.
Ne, ti posuđuješ.
Yes, my lord.
Ja sam kola.
I fled. We should all flee.
Žaba.
It's not stealing if you're taking what's yours by right. He speaks true. I've a family to feed, and not 2 coins to rub together since Lord Gregor left us to rot here. Where's our pay? Our share of bread and wine grows smaller every day.
Da, nema vina, gotovo je. Svi počnu krasti.
I know these words are hard, but they're honest. This house is falling.
It is not falling.
Možda zato to su i dobre u Game of Thrones.
We are in this
Vina
together.
je sve manje.
You say that, but it won't be you who's starving come winter. You'll address him as Lord. Lord Ethan, you must decide the punishment. Lord Gregor always took a thief's fingers.
There we go.
Freedom.
Throw him
Now may
the
not be
fuck
the
out.
time for harsh punishment. The men are on edge as it is.
Next
Need to know
to
they
promijeniti.
cannot do whatever
Odlučili
they
to.
please. Their Lord
You made a
will not
promise.
permit it.
You won't change.
Send him to the wall.
Show him mercy.
Najkorisnije.
I say mercy. They say kill.
I will decide.
Send him to the world.
If you
Nemo
punish
što možeš
me,
birati.
you'll be punishing an innocent man. Will be an injustice, my lord. Please.
Mercy. Take 3 fingers.
Depends on me.
What? Send him to the wall.
Look
Show
at.
him mercy.
Yeah.
A
Ali samo
šta
da...
take 3 fingers? Pa uzmeš mu 3 prsta.
Kuš, ovak.
Još jednom da vidim njegovu facu. Čekaj. Ajde. Eto. Yes! It displeases me. Ajde.
Our house tends to his people. See, this man is paid and his family is fed.
Lord Ethan, you are truly a merciful and noble lord. My lord, this man is a criminal.
Aj ti odjebi.
A brazen thief.
He still serves House Forrester and deserves our protection.
Aha.
Damn, this is so good.
He's a rat in our grain
better?
stores.
Girls.
Nothing.
My lord, we must be
Nothing.
true enemies soon. My lord, I thank you for the mercy you've shown me.
E sad mu odležite prste.
It was a trap.
E da da!
Low joke.
JK. We are the warriors!
That was certainly unpleasant, but a lord must mete out punishment when it's due. Not just yourself, of course.
I did what I had to do. It didn't bother me.
You heard what the thief said.
Ja, man bilo.
I expect this sort of thing will happen again. But a sentinel can help you in the face of disloyalty. You need someone you can trust by your side.
Someone you can rely on, no matter the circumstances. Possessing wisdom, experience.
Njemu ne vjerujem. Ulazi se u guzicu previše.
My lord, you of all people should know that too many voices muddy the message.
Ne, njemu ne vjerujem. Došao je ovak s rukama, to znači ja mislim da je iznad svih.
So there must be one
On
advice.
zna za... Njemu si morao poslati onu poruku. Jedino njemu reći za poruku.
No, njemu sam trebao reći samo.
Aha, to je drugi, da.
Da, to je motherfucker.
Njemu ne vjerujem, on je
Talk
glup.
to them. Solicit the opinion of people close to you. Yeah. The bracer of the sentinel. The badge of office. Tonight is your first small council meeting. It would be wise to bestow this bracer upon your chosen sentinel then, to show that you are decisive and in control of this house.
Dobro, koga izaberem?
Your sentinel will wear this for all to see.
A njega ne.
I'll make the right choices, Sentinel.
Pošto je ovo držim.
Come speak with me when you're ready to convene the small council, my lord.
Because it's yummy. Šta je to?
To ću staviti na Sentinela. Njemu ne! Njemu bude.
Njemu ne.
Ne, to je uncle.
To je uncle kojem si morao reći ono.
Njemu vjerujem.
On je drugi tip je bio.
Meister. A to je Meister koji mi je pričao, njemu ne vjerujem.
Njemu ne
Pa
vjerujem,
da, to je taj.
A on je drugi, gledaj.
Dukan.
Duncan.
A, slično izgledaju, to je.
Dukan.
Slušaj, to sam i ja prvo se zajedno, pa je onda Ivan mi rekao.
I have much to consider. You face a difficult decision.
Perhaps I can help. Your father often sought my counsel.